everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Tip. I'm Sarah. Today, I'm going to show you my morning routine in English. I hope this video helps you learn and practice English every day. Let's begin. First, I wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6:30. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy, but I try to smile. Then I stretch my body and say, "Good morning." I open the window and look outside. The air is fresh and the sun is shining. I feel happy and ready to start my day. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh and helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth. I use my toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully for 2 minutes. When I finish, I look in the mirror and smile. I say, "Today is going to be a great day." Next, I do some exercise. Exercise is very important for my health. I like to stretch my body and do simple workouts. Sometimes I follow a short video at home. Let's exercise together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now I feel more active and full of energy. After exercise, I have breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It gives me energy for my activities. I usually eat eggs, bread, and some fruit. I also drink juice or coffee. While I eat, I sometimes listen to English. This helps me improve my listening skills. After breakfast, it is time to study English. I sit at my desk and open my notebook. I write new words and try to use them in sentences. I also practice speaking. For example, I say, "I wake up early." I eat breakfast. I study English every day. I also use my laptop to watch English videos. I listen carefully and repeat the sentences. This helps me improve my pronunciation. Learning English is fun, and I enjoy it every day. That's my morning routine. What about you? Can you describe your morning routine in English? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read it. Now, here is your English tip. Practice a little every day, and you will improve a lot. Remember, small steps make big progress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.